My name is Andres. We're in Ensenada, Mexico.
What are we here to watch?
Waterfall. I don't want to get wet. Guys, we just got somewhere to eat in Ensenada. This is where they have like all the food, like stuff like that.
Yeah.
And we have like a very nice view. And yeah, very good stuff. I'll catch you guys later when I get the food. My food. So guys, my food just came in. It looks delicious. Can't wait to dig into this. I'll see you guys after this. Bye. We have all this stuff. All this stuff right here. Little capybaras. They have a lot of stuff here, guys. Little Pokemon.
What's that? Hey, welcome. Are they gonna let you take that though?
What?
The
Yeah, candy. Ice cream candy. You can take that. You can take ice cream candy.
They have these. Yeah, there's a bunch of joystick stuff. Little monkey. Ooh, gummy worms. Sharks, gummies, peach rings, gummy bears. Oh my god. I didn't even see this. They have a little Labubu statue. Look at all of this. Bowser, Mario, Luigi, Spider-Man, Donkey Kong. Just got a bunch of tools. They look so good.